My name is Zach Ozment, and this is my ECLAT and FIEND BMX bike check. The frame is the FIEND Garrett Reynolds V2 in the Merlot color with a 20.75 top tube. The stem is the FIEND Taimaro V3. Bars are the Team bars by FIEND in 9.5. Grips are the ECLAT Full Start grips. For the forks, I have the FIEND process forks. Tires, I'm running the ECLAT Taimaro tires in 2.4. For wheels, I have ECLAT Cortex hubs laced to the ECLAT camber rims. Cranks, I have the FIEND segment cranks in 160. Dude. For the pedals, I have the ECLAT slash pedals. And for the sprocket, I am running the FIEND Garrett Reynolds sprocket with a plastic guard on it. Seat is the FIEND Reynolds, and it's got a FIEND seat post. And that is my bike check.